Morning, welcome to Creating for Grace. We had a couple requests asking exactly how to do the adhesive on the top of the pumpkin, so we're going to do that today. So I've got some pieces that I've already put together, and I'm just going to take some sticky strip. So I'm going to take my sticky strip, we'll put it right in the center of each one. So they'll just make a little picture like that. And then remember, we're going to save the innermost one to tuck up in between. So we're going to start on this side here. And the easiest way I found was to stick a piece of your adhesive down on the paper, open it up, and bring up your next one to attach like that. And then we do the same thing all the way around. So I've got one here, and it's called sticky strip for a reason, so I'm sorry, but I want to show you this process in detail so that you can see what's going on here. So I've got another one attached there. I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to bring it around, and I'm going to attach it right there. I've got one more right here. And you see how I'm leaving the end hanging off there for the sticky strip, and that's so that the next one will have something to attach to as you bring it up and around. I'm going to take one more piece, and I'm essentially just going to attach it to this one right here, and it just kind of creates that bridge that goes across there. And then I have the piece that I used for my what is that called? Stem of the pumpkin. And so all I'm going to do is I'm going to take a couple pieces of the adhesive, I'm going to put one on the inside, so put one on each end, and then just taking my stem, I'm really just going to put my finger inside there, and I'm going to wrap right around, and it's really just kind of scrunching this part together to create that stem look. We'll take a little more sticky strip. So you might want to, on your, put it all the way across, and that'll probably make attaching it a little easier. Oh, and I forgot to distress. So I just take the Stampin'Up distressing tool here, and you're just going to rough up the edges. And that just adds a little more texture. So we've got this really ready to go, and you're just kind of scrunching as you go around. You're going to end up about like that. And you can tuck your little end up inside, and where the adhesive is left on the outside, if you boo-booed like me, that's a really good place to attach like your leaves and vines and whatnot. So that little part right there, remember we left it so it would be on the inside. so that you can put it together nicely. So that is your tea lit pumpkin, and that's how you put it together. And really it's just something you got to play with to get it to come out right. So I hope that helps, and I'm sorry it wasn't more thorough in the first one, but hopefully this little in-depth tutorial will help you get it together. Take care.